of boat traffic today. I started off on the other side, but there were 8 or 10 kayakers over there. Plus a guy on a paddle board that was paddling all over the place, so decided I'd get away from the crowd. The tide is really low today. You can see, normally I can motor right on across that. Few days of hard north wind and low tide. Should be starting to come in right now, but not a lot of water in here. Not my favorite conditions, but I'm catching a fish. Whoa. Little trout. That's a good sign. I haven't fished in a couple of weeks. Last time I went, I did catch one redfish, and I'll show that to you. There we go. I think this is a trout. Nope, no redfish. Small, but I'll take it. Got a gorgeous day today. Has to be in the high 70s. I've seen a lot of fish on the water. Looks like either small jacks or maybe bluefish. They were pretty small, you know, 6 to 8 inch range, so that's a good sign. I'm glad to see fish moving back into here, and should get better through the month of April. There we go. Come on. I guess I got him. What is that? That's a little trout. Right. Okay, came off. That's okay. There we go. Well, for a second there, I thought it was a little bit bigger, but no, he's about the same size. He's pretty close to being a keeper, but he's pretty skinny. I'm using the gulp shrimp today, but I've been using it long enough for all the scent to wear off, so went ahead and put some Procure on it right before I caught that fish. So let's see if there's another one over there in that hole. There we go. There it was. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Maybe a third one. Yeah, they're all about the same size. I think I'm gonna head back on the other side. Fish my way back down that shoreline for an hour or two. I'm only fished 2 hours, so just hadn't caught much. Something now moving right along the shoreline. Oh, there was something right there too. Not quite close enough yet. That is a redfish, fellas. See him right there? His tail just came up out of the water. Close enough for him to hear it. Okay, it's coming this way now. If I can put... Come on. Which way did he go? Oh, there he is right there. Sheesh. Don't know if that was the same one or not. In this shallow water, they're really, really spooky. And if they're not feeding, you won't catch them. might be better off if I get right up next to the shoreline and go down it. That way the wind doesn't affect me so much. It's too shallow to put my motor down, and there's one right there. Oh, there he is. Two of them. It always amazes me how shallow they get. There we go. I knew if I kept casting I might catch one. This one's not that big, but more he's fighting. Not probably 22 inches or so. I'll drop my anchor to keep him drifting out while I mess with him. Pretty nice. Let's measure him. I might keep him. I don't think we've got any fish at the house right now. Boy, I guess just right. He was 21 inches. I think I'm gonna let him go. Well, let's paddle back in and keep going. Maybe I'll run across another one. And day like today, you can't sight cast. You just have to throw and hope for the best. That might be one straight ahead there. Oop, it was. My lure spooked him. There he goes right there. He's pretty big too. He's coming, he's turned. He turned again. He's right there. I don't know if y'all can see him. That's a pretty big one too. I'll just keep casting. Boy, once that wind catches you, you go in a hurry.